Looking for the best bonsai starter kits? In this video we look at some of the top 3 bonsai starter kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Brussels Bonsai Dwarf Jade Bonsai Kit. Pros: gives you a head start with your bonsai project, as it comes with a 3-year-old dwarf jade plant. Kit also includes useful accessories, such an attractive container, pruning shears, humidity tray, and soil. Nicely packaged. Cons: a few trees looked sickly upon arrival, but the 30-day satisfaction guarantee makes this a minor hassle, not a deal breaker. Lacks variety compared to most kits that start with seeds. Bottom line: if you want to start your bonsai project from seeds and prefer variety, this kit isn't for you. However, it is a good option if you like the idea of beginning with an established jade plant. At number 2. Planter's Choice Bonsai Starter Kit. Pros: a comprehensive kit with accessories to grow bonsai plants from seeds, including pots, plant markers, soil discs, pruning shears, and 4 seed varieties. Owners are impressed with the attentive customer service. Cons: some seeds failed to sprout. A few customers wish the instruction booklet was a bit more detailed. Bottom line: even with a few possible frustrations, this starter kit is packed with everything you need to get started growing a variety of bonsai trees. At number 1. Garden Republic Bonsai Tree Starter Kit. Pros: this kit stands out for the wooden box that's perfect for storing the tools and accessories, including markers and pruning shears, that come with it. Has 4 types of seeds. Instruction booklet is very informative. Cons: some seeds have been known to not sprout. Kits have arrived with missing pieces. Bottom line: starting with seeds and including ample accessories, this kit is what you need to start your bonsai project. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.